J'ai entendu votre chose de
Place is in
détresse.
shambles. What happened here?
I've counted at least 6 horrendous death screams since you arrived. You must be affected as well. Could it be? You seem an honest-to-goodness rational human being, unhindered by bloodlust, unshackled from their basal ganglia. Well then, by the Loeffler Risk Intercession Act, under Outbreak Provision 5A, I hereby press you into service to aid me in our present crisis. I, Elmet Ormsby, Product Envisioner, Department of Proprietary Methodology and Audacious Advances, am your interim supervisor.
Ok, vous voulez que je sois. Vous avez changé de 10 depuis l'envoi du signal de détresse. Vous n'êtes pas en position d'exiger quoi que ce soit.
Yes. Tragedy has befallen a number of my subordinates. I will trust you not to make light of such heart-rending events. But back to the exciting news about this incredible new opportunity. You working for me, as an aide-de-camp of sorts, on a brief yet no doubt exhilarating assignment.
Ouais, je dois
Our
savoir
lab had been
plus.
researching the red spores that grow nearby to see if they might contribute to future Auntie's Choice products. As per usual, we threw precaution to the wind. A local spore sample interacted with a wonderfully preservative-rich diet of Auntie's Choice personnel, inadvertently leading to a chance reaction causing profound irritability. To a somewhat homicidal degree, it would seem to appear. By that measure, our work here could be considered a moderate success.
Bon, ben, je viens juste de comprendre pourquoi que la place était anti-choice puis tout le monde voulait nous attaquer. Aussi, Fortu, vous devez être des scientifiques sacrément avant-gardistes.
Well, of course. Succeeding in a haphazard fashion is one of the first courses taught to Auntie's Choice students in any field. But yes, I am something of a visionary. You see, our lab is a far cry from the others. You're part of something bigger here. The individual not only thrives, but shines even more brightly with the help of their brethren. It all requires a certain devotion. In the end, it's really quite in the best interests of everyone's careers. A rising tide raises all boats, as they say.
Ça a l'air diablement efficace. C'est quoi la prochaine étape? Je crois que le mot était manipulation. Venez-en au fait.
Well, it should all be rather straightforward, yes? I suspect we'd use a top-down indirect coronium synthesis method, don't you think?
Sur la base des éléments essentiels dont vous disposez sûrement dans votre laboratoire, cette option me semble être la plus facile.
Just so. You seem no stranger to this type of work, eh? Tremendous. Well then, before we roll up our sleeves and determine what's needed, any questions?
Non, pas vraiment. Ok. J'aimerais encore savoir, non, que dois-je faire?
We'll need 2 things. Fresh samples of the red spores and the findings from the expedition that originally uncovered them. After that, an antidote should be possible in relatively short order, with your skilled assistance, of course.
Où je peux trouver tout ça?
Spore samples may be taken from a red plant indigenous to an area of tall rock formations northwest of here, ingeniously referred to as the Red Spire. The research team's findings are on a terminal in another building on these same grounds. A satellite lab to this one, if you will.
Bon, ok.
Once we have an antidote firmly in hand, we can save my remaining colleagues, so best not murder them all in the meantime.
Trop tard pour ça. sont tous morts. Je suis vraiment désolé de te l'annoncer, là, mais j'ai déjà tué tout le monde. Bon, ok. On va prendre qu'est-ce qu'on peut. Bon, là, c'est-tu cette quest-là qui a été activée? Oui. Ok, bon, ben, il y a une place que c'est vraiment pas loin. On va faire ça. Il y a du monde que j'ai pas looté en passant. Parfait, super. Cool. On va aller looter. C'est sûr que j'avais pas looté. J'en ai vu un autre qui était où? Ok. Où ça? Ok, là, bon, parfait. Là, l'autre qui est un petit peu plus loin, mais ça n'a pas l'air si pire que ça. Ok. C'est-tu le Vox, ça, là-bas? J'entends des bruits. Il a parlé de plantes rouges, ça doit être une montagne de plantes rouges. Il doit y avoir d'autres ennemis là-bas. Ben oui, on voit le Vox. Je pense, c'est ça en tout cas. Oh, il y a quelque chose là. Ok, non, c'est juste des petits.
Time to earn my commission.
Je veux plus penser. Sont-ils tout le monde? Je pense que oui.
Liquidate 'em.
Oh boy! Ok, non, on va continuer. Le nombre de choses qui ont apparu. Oh boy. C'est quoi cette affaire-là? Un colosse, oui boy.
Ask for help, Fred. Help?
C'est juste qu'ils vont-tu pouvoir me pogner ça? Ah ouais, viens-t'en. Viens-t'en. Knocké out, oh non.
Guns cocked and loaded. Let's hit the city. Lights flashing before my eyes,
Merde.
Commander. Revive me.
Bon, on a tué celle-là, l'autre, j'ai aucune idée ce qui est mort, mais on va aller. Non, il est pas mort.
Look alive, Commander.
Ah! Il est là. Si, bon, il y a de la vie. Yes, sir! On l'a eu, parfait. On va looter ça. Bon, ils sont tous revenus, super. Parfait, et boy. Ça. C'était-tu ça que ça nous prenait ou c'est-tu. On va attendre de recharger. Ça.
I've had my
Oui,
fill of
parfait.
wrangling spores. This should be enough for the antidote.
Parfait, cool. On va y retourner. On va essayer de pas se faire tuer en chemin du retour. As-tu quelque chose de
Goodwin here.
Oui.
Field report update. We are approaching the Raptidon Den. These beasts have exhibited excessive irritability as of late. We endeavor to determine why. Surely the red spores aren't to blame. Windborne spores lack the catalytic agent of our food additives. Only way to be certain is to gather a stool sample. Simple enough. A routine task for the Audacious Advances field team. Quiet now as we approach the Rap's nest. Certainly the spirit of
Pretty
variety
convenient
will
that
offer-
he only
No.
managed to save himself from the
Okay,
spores.
We need to run now.
Still, we ought to fix this before it spirals more out of control.
Ok, fait que... Allô?
Ah, my most favorite, least homicidal subordinate. How's all our field work progressing?
C'est fait.
Absolutely gorgeous. Look at you. And to think I just forcibly coerced the first gormless dunderhead who walked by and found you. Lucky me. Now, first things first. Place the data cartridge in the drawer for me, right here, in the slot below my intercom. Allow me to give this a cursory eyeball and... perfect. I'm sure we have the correct neutralizing agent here in the lab. I'll nose out the exact compound within our chemical reserves in 2 shakes of a rat's tail.
Heureusement qu'il y a d'autres sports à proximité. Ne vous surprenant pas en d'autres mesures.
Always
Yeah,
fortuitous to have ready access to a key chemical agent nearby. This might work out yet. Auntie may ignore our recent setbacks if I deliver an easy-to-market product. Just imagine the ad slogans. Air, now with extra fractiousness. Though, I suppose it only works on other Auntie's Choice employees, not our preservative-free rivals. Oh, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Now we must formulate an antidote. If we're able to save my remaining subordinates, they can help us rush this product to market.
Il en reste plus ben ben. Ok.
Normally, I'd say perfection can't be hurried, but... there. I have determined the ideal counteragent. Here you are. Place it and the spore samples into that synthesizer. Enable the device and it will begin a working antidote momentarily. Return with it directly as soon as it does, if you please.
Ok, parfait. On va faire qu'est-ce qu'il nous dit de faire. Ah, je l'ai pas pris. Ok. Ouais, ça. Super.
I cannot wait to put this entire sordid affair behind us. Though in the end, this should turn out to be quite a lucrative day. I saw you working the chemical synthesizer. I presume you were successful in creating an antidote?
Sûrement.
Good, good. Place the antidote into the slot here. I'll insert it into the air filtration system. That will cycle it throughout the area and cure all afflicted. When backup arrives and releases me, I'll run a tally of all here who survived. Not to boast, but I'd say this wildly dangerous experimental agent was quite effective. You can be sure that management and I will see its put to good use. I may even get a promotion off this.
Tu vas être très surpris du nombre de monde qui ont survécu.
Wonderful, wonderful! Knew you seemed a bankably reliable sort. All right. I am activating the air filtration system. There. Should only take a few moments for the antidote to circulate. Everyone still alive should be right as rain shortly. Marvelous. You'll find your remuneration in the chest behind me. My supervisor will hear of your actions. Oh, and before I forget, I, Omid Ormsby, under the power granted me by the Loeffler Risk Intercession Act, hereby free you from impressed service to Auntie's Choice. Be seeing you.
Ok. Il dit qu'on avait une récompense. Mais j'ai oublié c'était où. Ah, c'est pas ben grave. Parfait. Eh boy. T'es sûr que c'est pas chimique ton affaire? La couleur est pas super encourageante. On va... Là, j'ai 2 autres points. On va attendre avant les petites buées comme qu'on fait tout le temps. On va retourner à Fairfield. Puis, c'était où déjà, Fairfield? C'était pas par là, me semble. On va retourner voir Miller Street, chose du genre. Ok, ouais. J'ai juste pas pris le chemin. Puis, fait que, ouais, on va pouvoir continuer la mission principale. Se redonner de la vie, super. On va peut-être pouvoir s'en aller de la première planète du jeu bientôt. Je sais pas vraiment s'il va y avoir d'autres tests pour nous autres après quand ils rendent ça là. J'en reviens pas quand même. Hey, on est rendu à quoi? Épisode... On serait rendu à genre épisode 8, 7, 8. Quelque chose de genre. Peut-être même plus. Puis on est encore sur la première planète. C'est fou. Comment que j'ai pas fait tant de progrès que ça. Là c'est... Pourquoi que ça me dirige là-bas? C'est quoi mon... Ok, c'est parce que ça m'a remis là-dessus.
This Spider-Man character of yours, is he some kind of...
Je pense qu'on serait rendu à épisode 9, si j'ai bien calculé. Puis on n'est même pas sorti de la première planète. Bon.
You've lifted my spirits right out of their doldrums. Our new guests have just arrived. Here, a considerable reward for your considerable efforts. From the hushed grumblings of the refugees, I've gathered that you, perhaps aided Westport's departure into inhospitability?
Exactement.
Sometimes the harshest moves are the most necessary. I've two minds about the convertees. Anyone with eyes can see they need guidance, but a pernicious system is not easily abandoned. Have you any thoughts?
Devriez construire une relation positive avec les sujets. Faites en sorte qu'ils vous voient comme quelqu'un de confiance. C'est quoi que tu penses que je devrais répondre, chaton? Ce chat a besoin des... Non, je pense qu'ils cherchaient leur raison d'être et je doute que vous avez. Il apprécierait sans doute quelqu'un d'automéca et un état de marche. On va dire ça là.
Trust will take time to build, time and patience. But that is an investment I am ready to make. You've given me a great deal to think about. I am in your debt. I cannot overstate what a capital compatriot you've been, my friend. Now be off. I've many refugees to see to.
Ok, tu vas-tu... Vous étiez censé avoir un plan pour m'aider.
Plan is such a strong word. Let's call it a hunch. Consider this your first lesson in propaganda. Find whatever your target desires most and use it towards your own ends.
Oh mon
Speak with Vigilant Hogarth in the building beside the saloon. He was in charge around here before we arrived. I have no doubt he knows vital information to the Vox's functioning. Now, should you ever find yourself visiting the ACS Undisputed Claim, do come see me. I've no doubt that when we next meet, I'll have risen 6 ranks, at least. Farewell!
C'est bien mieux de me donner... Vous feriez mieux de me dire la vérité. Mon œuf. Bon. Allez voir. Pourquoi que j'ai un autre quest là-bas? Ok, parce que je pense que c'est le même quest. Ouais, c'est ça. On va aller voir où ce qu'il nous a dit d'aller. Il nous a truqué, chaton. Il est pas gentil, hein? Bon, on va aller
The
voir.
others
Allô.
appear to be... Well, hello. You appear burning with purpose. Is everything all right? Has something occurred?
Ah, c'est toi! Ok, Vous pourriez me faire entrer.
Judging by the waves of consternation wafting off of you, your other options must have failed. Yes, I know of a means in, but you must do something for me there. Even though I no longer am of the Protectorate, I do care for its subjects. Now, I'll prepare a writ of conscription to the Vox Relay. Once you're inside, there's something else I need you to do. Something that would save many lives.
J'en ai tué une coupe, par exemple. En somme, vous me demandez d'accomplir une mission supplémentaire. On va dire ça, là. J'aborde.
The Vox Relay is, to my mind, a time bomb. Brigadier Montelli's lost his way. Now all manner of chaos is raging there. I've heard tell he's even resorted to extra-legal executions. Madness, I tell you. A brigadier doesn't act as judge, jury, and executioner. That's an arbiter's job. And even then, they're enforcing existing protectorate law.
Très bien. À qui dois-je montrer le décret à l'intérieur de la station Vox?
Marshal Corbin. As with all my subjects, I have been there when he needed me. I trust we can call on him now to do his part. Seek him out at the Vox Relay, conscript him with the writ, and this is important. You must convince him to kill Montelli. Corbin will want to talk him down, to take him into custody, to message superiors outside the facility beforehand. We cannot allow any of that to happen.
Ok.
Good, good. Here is the writ. Farewell now.
Bon, parfait. Là, on peut rentrer là. Là, on va y aller. Mais je veux... Ça va-tu me dire c'est où? Je pense que...
Someday,
Non. Chercher des clés dans toi, que dire.
when I make it big
Dans
and
des...
lower middle
Oh,
management,
ça tue...
I'm gonna come back here.
C'est juste qu'il y a un marchand. Hein. Si je m'éloigne un peu, ça va tuer. Ouais, non, ok, ça n'a pas rapport avec... Non, il n'y a vraiment rien. Ok, bon. On va faire... On va activer ça là, parce que anyway, je suis pas mal sûr que c'est dans le Vox. L'une de nos options, en tout cas. Puis on va s'en aller au Vox. Maintenant qu'on peut rentrer. On va ignorer le fait qu'on a tué plein de monde tantôt à l'entrée du Vox, parce que je me suis complètement trompé de quest. Puis je pensais que je suis en train de faire la quest de Milver Street quand en fait j'étais vraiment... J'étais pas partout dans la bonne place, mettons. Oh boy, je l'avais pas vu. Ok, on va juste courir. Anyway, il y a une genre de petite ville ici. Fait qu'il devrait pas... Je sais pas s'il nous suit. Non, c'est ça, il nous a pas suivis. Là, ici, c'est un champ de mine, là, je me souviens bien. Si on suit la route, on devrait être correct. Là, je suis pas mal sûr qu'on va pas avoir de problème pour rentrer. Ah, entrée non autorisée. Y a-tu à quelqu'un qu'il faut que je parle? Non, ok, c'est tout là-bas, ok. On va retourner sur ça, là. Anyway, ouais, tout le monde est mort. Oups! C'était pas voulu. Oh. C'est quoi que tu veux débarquer? Bébé chat. Ok. Fait que... Là, on va continuer. Désolé, je suis un peu déconcentré. J'ai un chat qui veut se faire flatter, fait que... Ouais. La flatte en même temps. Bon. Là... Il me semble que c'était pas si loin que ça. Oh, bon. elle décide de débarquer. Elle voulait se faire flatter juste pour s'en aller. Ok, bon, là, y a-t-il quelqu'un qu'il faut que je montre comme quoi j'ai le droit de rentrer? Oui.
Though you are better company than these corpses, they are numerous, and I remain beholden to my work.
Par l'autorité du décret, on va dire.
Vigilant Hogarth sent you? I wish I could help, but he's been named a traitor. These credentials might as well be stained in Protectorate blood. That being said, I am from Westport. If Hogarth trusts you, let's just say I'm willing to listen. The Brigadier sees enemies everywhere, sappers in every shadow. Approaching him under questionable license is to risk being shot. It's too dangerous for us both.
Serait à la fois décevoir Hogarth et perdre un allié. Il doit bien y avoir quelque chose que vous puissiez faire pour m'aider.
Tragically, I must decline. Whatever I might think of the Vigilant, mine is not the opinion that matters.
You are approaching a restricted estate.
Sérieux, là, ça nous a pas aidé pas tout.
Ah yes, the stranger with the orders from the Vigilant. Forewarned, I'm in no more a position to help you now than I was before.
Persuasion 3 ou leadership 3. On va...
Tragically, I must decline. Whatever I might think of the Vigilant, mine is not the opinion that matters.
Area's off limits.
On va... On devrait nous en rester, si je me trompe pas. Il nous en reste 2. Ça me prend persuasion. Merde! Leadership. Merde, j'en ai pas assez pour aucun des deux. C'était 3, hein?
Ah yes, the stranger with the orders from the Vigilant. Forewarned, I'm in no more a position to help you now than I was before.
Persuasion 3, leadership 3. Bon, ok,
Tragically, I
non, on peut
must
pas.
decline. Whatever I might think of the Vigilant, mine is not the opinion that matters.
You are approaching a restricted estate.
Ok, bon, on va essayer de trouver une autre manière de rentrer de bord. Tout ça pour rien. Finalement, j'aurais peut-être dû juste... Oh.
Figured this ship would have departed by now.
You know how Sentinels
Il me
are.
semble qu'il y avait
They
personne
take
ici
their time
tantôt.
with traitors and instigators.
Ah, il y a un vaisseau. Il y avait-tu un vaisseau tantôt? On va y aller.
We've got company,
doucement.
Commander. The unfriendly kind.
Ok, c'est... À moins que vous parliez. On va essayer de s'infiltrer. Oh boy, il y a quand même pas mal de monde. Il n'y a pas de manière de rentrer là-dedans. Hein.
Don't worry,
On
don't
les
question,
tue.
don't doubt.
Oh, à niveau, je pense qu'à ce point-là, j'ai marqué.
Medkit coming your way.
Ouh!
Prescription filled.
Merci.
Bettering position. Pushing ahead.
Non, 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 non! Ok, on va réessayer ça. Ça va pas bien, il y a juste genre une coupe de soda puis j'ai de la misère à les tuer. Imaginez, mais que je me rende contre le gros... il y avait un mec là-bas, un gros robot.
You are approaching a restricted estate.
On va... Bon, oh, on a peut-être la chance de se
Ah
réessayer.
yes, the stranger with the orders from the Vigilant.
Oh non, ok.
Forewarned, I'm in no more a position to help you now than I was before. Tragically, I
Okay.
must decline. Whatever I might think of the Vigilant, mine is not the opinion that matters.
Area's
On va
off
aller
limits.
voir le vaisseau. Parce que, ouais, là, ouais, non, ça me donne rien. Fait qu'on va essayer d'éliminer tout le monde qui est là. On va aller voir qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le vaisseau. Puis aussi, au début, j'étais venu ici parce que je me disais qu'il y avait peut-être une autre manière de rentrer.
Ready to waste it. On your command.
Ouch.
They did me in. Help me out.
Bettering position. The protectorate and... Perfection.
Help me end this fight on my feet.
Back again. Thought we would... Sustain the system.
Il en reste-tu? Je sais pas il est où en tout cas ce qui reste. Fait qu'on va se dépêcher à réanimer eux autres. Ah, là, je peux pas. Parfait. Il en reste-tu? Oui. Good. Bon, il y a quelqu'un là-dedans.
I heard fighting. What's going on?
We're not Protectorate. We're your ticket out of this hotbox. Esculepe sent us.
Esculepe? Zeb sent you? Wait, you're Niles, aren't you? Count on Zeb to go as far as raising the dead to help.
Oh!
But it's too late.
Comment ça, trop tard? Où sont les autres?
I gather you haven't noticed the bodies in the pen here.
Oh.
The others don't look like they suffered easy deaths. What happened?
Montelli, damn him! He executed March and Pharaoh outright, ranting about traitors. Then the Consul Sentinel arrived to conduct a preliminary interrogation. She tortured us for information. The others didn't survive her enthusiasm for the work. I'm only here because the Consul wants someone brought back to him, alive. Lucky me.
Devait coriace pour avoir survécu
Thanks.
tout ça.
Can't take all the credit, though. The Sentinel seemed spent by the time she got to me. Wore herself out on the others, I guess. Quick, though, before I forget or we're interrupted, I memorized the cipher. It's 02519W. Should help Zeb decode the intelligence we sent him a whole lot faster. Kind of you to offer, but I'm not going anywhere.
If you're too hurt to walk, I'm sure the commander and I could...
No, it's not that. I need the Sentinel to take me onto that transport. I want her to think she's won. And then, just as we leave orbit, I'm going to blow her pretty ship to pieces.
That might just be the most ruthless bait and switch I ever heard. Your friends ought to be proud.
Thanks. Funny what ideas come into your head after losing a molar.
Généralement, il vaut mieux faire exploser les vaisseaux lorsqu'on n'est pas à leur bord, ça c'est vrai.
I'm no martyr. If there was another way to protect Zebulon and our cell, I'd take it. But if I escape, the Protectorate will pursue me, and everyone I care about will be in danger. I'll make it look like an accident. Mechanical failure. When I was being tortured, I saw some frayed wires near the fuel system. With the right spark, I think I can ignite it.
Qu'est-ce que vous en pensez?
I have my doubts. Even if she managed to spark a few wires, that ship's bound to have a fire suppression system. It would kick in if there was any real ignition.
What do you propose, then?
Not blowing yourself up, for starters.
You know how relentless the Protectorate is. But if I die, that's the end of it. The Consul will turn his attention elsewhere, and our cause can continue in the shadows. Please, if you can help me sabotage the transport, then help me. We don't have much time.
Might be I could sabotage the transport from the outside. Make it look like negligent maintenance. What do you think, Commander?
Ça serait parfait. Serait de laisser à droit embarquer avec le sentinelle, saboter le vaisseau Nance. Je suis là, c'est uniquement pour le code, je m'en fiche. J'ai besoin de temps pour y réfléchir.
You have until that sentinel decides to blast off from here, which is to say, not long.
C'est parce qu'en même temps, je pense qu'elle a un peu, que lui a raison. Mais pourquoi j'ai pas d'autre option? Il doit me manquer quelque chose. C'est ça là. D'enquêter sur les... Neil pourrait le saboter, mais il a exprimé des réserves sur le sacrifice de... Ouais. On peut pas juste mettre une bombe dedans. On peut pas rentrer dedans, non. Ok. Je pense qu'on n'a pas tant d'options que ça. Hein. À part si j'aurais soudainement trop... Voyons. J'en ai juste deux. Puis je suis pas mal sûr que... Oh, j'ai trouvé une clé de quelque chose. Ok, c'est pour ça. Ouais, non, ça m'en prenait 3. Puis j'ai 0 dans les deux. Fait que ouais, je pense qu'on va pas. Oups, mauvais temps.
Wasn't sure I'd see you again. Have you decided to help me after all?
On va vous aider à embarquer à bord du vaisseau pour... Pas vrai, Nils? On n'a pas vraiment d'autres options. Fait qu'on va
Yes,
dire...
Commander. Stay put. Shouldn't take you too long. Done. Won't go into the particulars, but you can trust that ship will blow the moment it hits orbit.
Excellent work. I see why Zebulon liked having you around. I'd say I won't forget how you've helped me, but, well, you know. Tell Zeb what happened, won't you? That it was my decision. And I was at peace with it.
On va dire ça.
The bravest thing I ever did was start thinking for myself. Everything else after that's been easy.
Good luck, Audra.
Likewise. And thank you both, again.
Ok, parfait. C'était quoi qui était écrit? Retourner à Zebulon. Oh. Il faut y retourner encore. Ok, on va y retourner avant de faire ça. Anyway, ça va peut-être nous faire monter le niveau et nous donner plus de compétences parce qu'il me manque au moins un persuasion. Ben, je veux dire, il manquerait au moins dans le fond. Si ça peut nous faire monter de niveau, on aurait 4 points disponibles, je me trompe pas, puis on pourrait monter notre persuasion en 3. Ou notre leadership, un des deux. On va y retourner. J'ai pas vraiment le choix si je veux essayer de rentrer là-dedans sans me faire tuer par tout le monde. Si ça marche pas, ben on va pas avoir le choix d'y aller en tirant tout le monde. Je vais quand même essayer de trouver un passage plus... ben qu'il y a moins de chances que je me fasse tirer dessus, admettons. Mais je pense que si c'est pas assez de me faire monter de niveau, on va pas avoir le choix. Bref, tourner l'autre bord de la map. Ici, il y a plein de mines, on va essayer. On va sauter dans aucune mine. ici. Super. Bon, là... Ben, ici, ça va être pas mal bloqué. On va aller par là. Il y a une cabane ici ou une maison. On va aller voir si quelque chose d'intéressant technique. Il y a du monde ici. Chapelle. Oh, on n'avait pas une mission qui parlait de ça. La chapelle. Ok, des notes. Ça. Une ancienne confidente de... Oh, on va aller voir ça là. C'est vraiment ici. Cool.
We're closed.
Did you not hear me? This place is closed. No learning today about how everything happens according to the obscure calculus of an indecipherable plan.
C'est un ami d'Augustine de Vries, n'est-ce pas?
Why are you asking? Who are you?
The people she tried to kill.
By the architect. I had no idea. I wish I could say it was unbelievable. I was afraid she was becoming a danger to herself and to others. But this is horrifying.
Yeah, imagine how we feel. Why don't you tell us where she is so we can make sure she ain't being a danger to herself or others?
On va les laisser parler.
And how are you going to do that?
That ain't something you ought to be concerning yourself about.
If you think I'm going to help you do what I think you're talking about, you are deluded.
Il faut excuser Neil, il est contrarié. On va le laisser
I may
parler.
be deluded, but you're lucky you ain't dead. Seeing how she seems partial to using her friends as victims.
Does she? It occurs to me that you have provided no proof of what you're accusing her of.
Why don't you take a long look at me? This is all because she betrayed us. Her team, her friends, even the one whose life she saved in Triangulum.
By the architect. You're Niles, aren't you? She mentioned you a few times, but refused to elaborate. All I knew was that she was fond of you, and that you were dead.
She was fond of me? Then why? Why would she try to kill me?
I can't say, but it may be one of the things she anguished over. An anguish I fear finally overwhelmed her, and could likely be what's driven her to her present course of action.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle est en train de faire?
I wish I knew. It's nothing good, I can tell you that. I haven't seen her since before the corporatists invaded the island. I'm afraid she's going to do something terrible, but I just don't know what. Maybe none of this would have happened had I not introduced her to Victor. How did... You saw her terminal, didn't you? Victor's an Order archivist. We were all friends for a time. But then, shortly before the schism, they started talking to some others inside the Order. That's when things became tense. I started to become uneasy, scared, really. She kept getting angrier with the Order the more she worked with Victor and her other contacts. On top of everything else, it became just too much for me.
Elle parlait un peu trop de la série.
Among other things. For some reason, she was obsessed with the cliffhanger ending of Chapter 6. It was the one where capitalist fanatics brought complete destruction upon Arcadia. But you know how it works. It was somehow miraculously saved at the beginning of the next chapter. Didn't matter to DeVries, though. She just kept going over it and over it. Would have talked to a Crabble about it if there was no one else to listen. That, and the invasion itself, set her mind to dark things. I begged her not to go down that road again. She was so agitated when I first met her. Must have been 7, going on 8 years ago now. She never slept, didn't talk to anyone if she could avoid it. After we became friends, she began to change. Still bothered her from time to time, but I thought it mostly behind her. I couldn't watch her go back to how she'd been. Or worse.
Ok. Je n'arrête pas d'entendre parler de l'ordre. Qu'est-ce que c'est exactement? L'ordre de-t-il aider une chose là, de l'évasion? On va demander ça là.
But it had to be someone's fault, right? The Protectorate couldn't possibly have failed to safeguard the colony. And they had to answer the accusations the Order leveled at them.
Ok. Comment vous êtes rencontrés?
We became friends when she... Well, she saved me. I'd said something without thinking. Must have been distracted. We all know to watch every last word we say. For some reason, she interceded on my behalf with an Arbiter. And she convinced him he didn't hear what he actually did. No one does that. Void, I didn't think anyone could.
Ok. Faisait-elle partie de l'ordre?
We all were, originally, before the schism. But she never gave it up, even when it became illegal to even mention their name. Which was surprising with how angry she seemed to be getting with them, even as she was deep into scheming with Victor and the others. She even continued to sign her messages, "See you in the equation." It's all so confusing.
Ok. Tout ça est fascinant, mais j'ai besoin de la retrouver avec qu'elle ne fasse quelque chose de drastique. Rendre mal à l'aise. Parlez-moi de ce qu'elle faisait à la Vox Station.
What do you mean? It was where she worked, one of the Protectorate's communications hubs. She didn't speak of it much, at least to me. She may have spoken to Victor about it.
Qu'est-ce que c'est l'ordre?
Just a religion driven by algorithms, methods, predictions of the future. They believe they will eventually solve the universal equation and know everything, rid humanity of uncertainty.
Okay.
She ain't the only one.
It's difficult to explain. She spoke about things in unfamiliar ways. I felt her words to be freeing, at first. But slowly, I began to feel unmoored, doubting everything I ever knew. She said learning the truth of things was worth it. But now I question whether her truth was just more of her penchant to sow chaos, no matter who may be caught in her schemes. Some days I wish I'd never listened to her at all. Others, I can't help but miss her. Even with everything.
Know a little something about that too.
Je l'avais jamais revu.
I did try to. Once. After the corporatists invaded Paradise Island and took over Fairfield. They seemed to let anyone in there. Some boisterous fellow even tried to recruit me.
Vous y avez parlé?
No. Nearest I could surmise, she'd left just prior to the fall of Fairfield. I'm ashamed to admit, I did break into her safe.
Oh.
She used the same code for everything. 15-778.
That sounds like it could be her agent identification code, Commander.
She said it had some meaning from her previous life. I'd hoped she'd left something for me, but the safe was empty.
Okay.
I know I've no right to ask this of you, but when you find her, please remind her of who she used to be. She's unwell, but I know there's still hope for her.
Elle va mal, oui, mais il n'y a aucun espoir pour elle. Je vais la tuer. Bon, je verrai ce qu'elle a à dire avant de décider quoi que ce soit.
That's all I can ask.